Good morning, Tigers, and welcome to the KBIS News. I'm Rue Williams.
And I'm Amelia McDonald. We're going to start this morning with the Pledge of Allegiance, followed by a moment of silence, followed by some brief announcements.
I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
Tigers, today is Club Picture Day. That's right. If you're a member of any of the clubs on campus, your picture will be taken today starting at 8 a.m. Hopefully you will remember your club shirt. If you're on multiple clubs, you'll have to do a custom change. Smile pretty, Tigers.
Congratulations to BIS archery team. Our 5th grade archers are number 1 in the state. The team took first place in the state bullseye tournament on the Shreveport Convention Center this past weekend. Top shooters include Finley George, Molly Parker, Annie Dunn, Julia Landano, and Brady Bird.
The team's final score was 3,117 with 97 bullseyes. The next closest school out of Pineville, Louisiana, only had 81 bullseyes. Congratulations, archers, but you're not done yet. We know you will do an amazing job at nationals.
This spring book fair is coming to BIS. That's right, not all the fun and the experiment will be had in the fall back for a spring round. Not only will there be brand new books to purchase, but all the bookmarks and other swag, and most importantly, the raffle. For just $1 or a ticket, or $5 for 6 tickets, you can win $100 worth of book fair merch.
Take home the letter and flyers you will receive this week, and get that e-wallet set up today so you have a chance to get lucky winner. Remember, you can't win if you don't play, and since someone has to win, it might as well be you, right? Stay tuned to KBIS for when it will be your day to shop and who the lucky raffle winner is going to be.
That's it for this morning. Remember, Tigers are ready, respectful, responsible, and safe.
BIS is striving to be the #1 school in the state.
So do your best and win the day in every way.